everyone, Mahi here. So if you run an e-commerce business and want to create ad, so today I'll show you how to create, launch and optimize your ad in just 5 to 7 minutes using AI tool. So even you don't need any technical skills and experience. As you can see, today's example is Boat. We all know Boat is popular for its earphones. So today we are create an ad for it using AI, which is growtake. So let's go to the growtake dashboard. At first, we begin by connecting our profile to growtake AI. So just go to brand section and choose your platform where you want to run ads. Okay, just click the connect and your account link instantly. It's simple. Okay, next we go to the brand info. So just you have to paste your website and the growtech AI is full everything, your logo, product name, feature, key details, and you can also edit any field manually. So in marketing informations, select up to two goals and add your contact here. Okay, for now I select two goals like get more sales on my websites and bring visitor to my website. Okay, done. As you can see, there is already default product created. As for now, I select this. Okay, all done. The step is complete. Now let's jump to the advertise tab. These are the platforms where you can run your ads. So for this demo we will use Meta, and the process is same across the all platform where you can run your ads. So for this tutorial, we use Meta. So we now have three steps. At first, step one. So choose your goal. Yeah, set your goal. Okay, right here. Okay, select the objective and you want and save it. I choose traffic and save this. Step two is describe your product. Select your product from the list, and also you can add new one manually. For now, I'll choose this one. Okay. Step 3, add creatives. You can upload your images from in library. Okay, there is. Okay, and also the website option where you paste the URL of website and just hit the search button. I'll show you. And there is a powerful feature called Photoshop. Just upload few images, add short prompts, and click generate, and the AI create beautiful and creative for you. For now, let me show you the website option. Okay, paste the website URL. I paste the link here and just hit the search. So within few seconds, all the product images from the website appear automatically. Okay, as you can see. Okay, now we select some images. I would like to select this one. Okay, images are selected. Now click generate, and in less than 2 minutes your full ad copy is ready. As you can see in background, growtake AI is working on reading your website, understanding your business, generating, targeting, writing ad copy and finance. So as you can see, our ad sets are ready, ad creatives are ready. Also along with primary text, headlines, you can adjust your CTA button right here if needed, and there is a targeting section. So growtake AI already provide a complete AI generated setup, and you can modify it manually anytime. Here is the option. And for budget, growtake AI has suggested the ideal amount. uh, Use this tab. I show you just recommendation. 5,000 product price average. It suggested me to 300, and it also show me the result. If I spend 300, how much I get result. You can also increase your budget here. So finally, Our ready to use ad campaign is ready. Just hit launch button and your ad goes live. That's how and fast and easy it is. If you are an e-commerce brand looking to run optimized ads without any hassle, growtake AI can definitely help you and deliver amazing result. And the best part, growtake AI is currently offering a 50% year-ending discount. You will find all the details in the pinned comment below. So make sure to check it out. Thank you for watching.